Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together they make this world a beautiful garden. The earth reveals its innocence through the smile of children. Seeing your smile makes our heart beat so fast like it's going to explode. Children, the only dream that every teacher has is that her students be successful and happy. We wish that you never give up in life. Obstacles come in our lives to prepare us for something bigger. Treat them as opportunities and you will never fail in life. A very happy Children's Day to all of you.
Great things come in small packages. So is the case with you, children. The time spent with you, little hearts, is uncounted, unnumbered, and untold. When your little cheeks glowing in sun, your giggle is like sounding the waterfall. It cannot be described as words. So these little red rosebuds are melting our hearts away with their lovely gestures and tenderness. May you all bloom pleasantly, not just today, but every day. Chacha Nehru also said, children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow.
बचपन है ऐसा खजाना, आता है ना जो दोबारा, मुश्किल है इसको बुलाना, वो खेलना कूदना और खाना, मौज मस्ती में बल खाना। आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
बचपन का भी क्या ज़माना था जिसमें खुशियों का खजाना था। चाहत चांद को पाने की थी, पर दिल तो तितली का दीवाना था। खबर न थी कुछ सुबह की, न शाम का ठिकाना था। थक हार के आना स्कूल से, पर खेलने भी जाना था। न फिक्र थी सुबह जल्दी उठने की, न शाम को जल्दी घर जाना था। हर खेल में साथी थे, हर रिश्ता निभाना था। गम की ज़ुबान न होती थी, न ज़ख्मों का पैमाना था। रोने की वजह न थी, न हंसने का बहाना था। अब लगता है बस यही, क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े। इससे अच्छा तो वो बचपन का ज़माना था। Cause each one is a miracle, a blessing and a star. The light you ignite can be seen from afar.
Wish you a very happy Children's Day, students.
Hello everyone. Children spread joy and happiness in every season as they are the most beautiful creation of the God. They spread fragrance of love wherever they go. Happy Children's Day all of you and bye-bye.
Dear students, on this special day, I want to give you two lasting gifts. One is roots and second is wings. So, dear students, happy Children's Day. Thank you.
You all carry the hopes of our brighter tomorrow and the dreams of our happy future. May the innocence in your smiles and the purity of your hearts stay unfaded.
Every child is special in a special way. You are the reason of our happiness and our all the smiles. I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Keep smiling.
Student, every child is a different kind of a flower and they are beautiful in their way. So stay with your own beauty and happy Children's Day to all.
देखो इन्हें ये हैं ओस की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर खो न जाए तारे ज़मीं पर
Child comes with the message that God is not yet discouraged of man. Best of luck for your bright future. Happy Children's Day.
Very, very happy Children's Day. God bless you.
इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ.
Children are budding stars. The more you embrace them, the more they shine. Happy Children's Day, my dear students.
Children, you all are the future of our country. So, on this day, I wish you joy and success in whatever you do. So, happy Children's Day to my dear students.
May love and laughter always stay on every child's face. There are some things that we cannot buy. One of such things is our childhood. Enjoy the spirit of Children's Day and make it memorable.
It's time to learn new things, set goals, and start working on them. So, focus on your aim and all the best for your future kids. Happy Children's Day.
Hello children, every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day.
Children are not just kids, they are the life force that instills energy into us and all those around them. Cheers for all the children.
Children are the gifts of God. Let them fly with their thoughts. So children, I am wishing you a very happy Children's Day and a very bright future to you.
Children, you all are the most beautiful creation of God. You spread fragrance of love and laughter always. Stay blessed. Many happy returns of the day. Happy Children's Day.